Hello, teacher. How are you? Today, I, Alejandro Cafaro, and my partner, Alejo Penchansky, will present our project called Renewable Electric Energy Generation in Argentina, Solar Thermal Pavement as a clean and affordable alternative.
Okay, now I'm going to start explaining the basics of our project, beginning with the introduction. So let's go with the introduction. First of all, the project is based on Argentina and its energy production. So I will explain certain characteristics of Argentina that help contextualize the situation. Argentina is the second largest country in South America and has vast land, infrastructure, and population. So, including approximately 2.8 million square kilometers and 46 million inhabitants. In addition, it has 640,000 kilometers of roads, of which 92.3% of them are paved. So this large expanse creates the potential to adopt certain space-dependent technologies, such as renewable sources for our country.
Now, let's look at the purpose of the project. The purpose of the project is the implementation of the intelligent asphalt in the Argentinian streets. To reduce the dependence of non-renewable energies in the country. In this upcoming film, we will see the connection of our project with the SDGs. What are the SDGs? The SDGs are the Sustainable Development Goals. These goals aim to transform our world. They are called to action to end the poverty and inequality, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy health, justice, and prosperity. Our project is linked to Goal 7, Clean and Affordable Energy. This SDG is important because it seeks ensure that everyone has safe access to energy and it's economical, clean, and sustainable.
Okay, okay, let's go with the map of the presentation. This will be the order of the topics to be presented in the project. First, we are going to talk about the energy generation in Argentina. Then we are going to explain the intelligent asphalt system, which takes advantage of solar thermal energy. After that, we will evaluate the benefits and challenges of developing solar thermal energy in our country. And finally, we will give the conclusion of this project, presenting our opinion and giving a conclusion of the benefits and the development of this technology in our country. Okay, so let's go with the project impact of our project. This project aims to promote environmental sustainability by creating some clean, renewable, and affordable sources, such as solar thermal sources, as we are going to explain in the next slide.
Now we come to the next topic, power generation in Argentina. Before focusing on the implementation of smart asphalt, should understand the problem currently in Argentina and know why it's necessary solve it.
Okay, so now we are going to talk about the types of energy generated in Argentina. As we can see in the image, there is a big one called conventional thermal energy. Then comes hydro, nuclear, and renewable sources, but with lower percentages. So, Argentina faces a big energy problem, as we can see, due to its reliance on non-renewable sources, with only 12.3% of its total energy production coming from renewable sources. So the majority, the 63.5%, comes from thermal energy from fossil fuels, contributing to significant greenhouse gas emissions that affect our environment.
As Alejo explained in the previous film, in Argentina, a significant portion of energy generation still comes from fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. These sources are the major contributors to greenhouse gas emission, which are responsible for 75% of global emission. The primary emission from this sector include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Globally, countries like United States, China, and Russia are leading in renewable energy production with percentage of 11.6%, 16.1%, and 6.3%, respectively. This comparison underscores the need from Argentina increase renewable energy in the country. In South America, Argentina's shares of renewable energy production is still below the 25%, lagging behind several other countries in the region. This highlights a gap in renewable energy adoption despite the country's vast potential for solar and wind energy. Achieving a higher percentage of renewable energy is critical if Argentina wants to reduce its reliance on fossil fuels and contribute more significantly on the global, to the global effort of reducing greenhouse gas emissions.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the intelligent asphalt system and how we can use it in Argentina. So, well, to address this issue that we talk, um, the solution is presented in two basic stages. First of all, we have the solar thermal energy capture, in which we have actors like the asphalt and the sun. Then we are going to talk about the production of electricity from this solar thermal energy that we are going to present a mechanism that can use this solar thermal energy and convert it into electricity. So starting with solar thermal energy capture, we have to think about that capturing solar thermal energy from asphalt requires a mechanism or a method to collect this kind of electricity, this kind of energy, and transport it to another place. So searching about it, we found that there is a mechanism with pipes beneath the asphalt that use water to transport this kind of energy. So we have to install these kind of pipes behind the asphalt, and these pipes use water that took this heated water and passes through these pipes. This heated water can be used for various applications, such as generating electricity, as we know.
As shown in the before As shown in the film before, the heat water is transported to the installed pipes to the power plants. These pipes are specifically designed to minimize the heat loss, ensuring the maximum amount of energy reach the plant. Once the water arrives, it used to generate electricity through a thermal process. Now, in this slide, we take a closer look at the Rankine cycle. The Rankine cycle is the key to converting the thermal energy into a mechanical work, which then powers a generator to produce electricity. Moving on the next slide, here we have a schematic representation of the complete Rankine cycle system. The cycle is fundamental for converting a thermal energy into electricity.
Okay, now I'm going to start explaining the benefits of solar thermal energy in asphalt applications. Okay, integrating solar thermal energy into asphalt can improve our renewable energy capacity and the development of renewable sources in Argentina, but it is important to examine both the benefits and the challenges of this kind of system because there are a lot of benefits, but there are important limitations or challenges that affect this project.
Okay, now we are going to see the advantage of solar thermal asphalt system. The first one is utilize existing infrastructure like the streets. The country have a lot of streets, like as we say, uh, are 645,000 kilometers, and this is important. Maximize the public investment, offers high potential for energy generation, reduce greenhouse gas emission, and provides economic benefits. Now, we are going to see the limitation of solar thermal asphalt system. The first one is high initial cost. The second is efficient variability, and the maintenance challenge.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain the conclusion of our project. Well, analyzing this project, we can see that solar thermal energy and this asphalt system can improve and develop the Argentina's renewable energy, but it need further investment and research to overcome these challenges and limitations, supporting sustainability goals such as SDGs, and converting Argentina in a new and more renewable country that contributes to the environmental sustainability. So thank you for listening us. And in the next slide, there are the references that we use to create this project and the production of it. So thank
Thank
you
you
and
and see you later.
see you later.